Welcome back to Decor Insider. Today, we're stepping outside, literally, into your backyard to explore some amazing pathway and walkway ideas. Whether you have a big garden, a cozy patio, or a small yard, a well-designed walkway can make your outdoor space look organized, inviting, and full of charm. Let's start with gravel pathways. Gravel is one of the easiest and most affordable ways to create a path. It gives your backyard a rustic, natural look and feels like a soft crunch under your feet. You can shape it any way you like, curvy, straight, or circular, and it works beautifully with plants and garden edges. To make it, simply mark your path, dig a shallow trench, add a weed barrier, and fill it with gravel. You can use pea gravel for a smooth, modern look or crushed stone for a more rugged style. Add some stepping stones on top for extra charm, or line the sides with bricks, wood, or flowers for a polished finish. Gravel paths drain water easily, so they're perfect for rainy areas, and they're low maintenance too. Let's talk about stone walkways. If you love a timeless, elegant look, stone is the way to go. Natural stones like flagstone, slate, or limestone blend beautifully with the landscape and create a sense of stability and grace. Stone paths can be formal, with neatly cut pieces, or more relaxed, with irregular shapes that feel organic and wild. Lay the stones over sand or soil, leaving a little space between each one for grass or moss to peek through. It looks magical, especially after a light rain when the stones glisten. Walkways are durable and long-lasting, perfect for gardens, patios, or leading to a cozy outdoor seating area. Finally, we have wooden pathways. Wood brings warmth and a natural charm that feels cozy and inviting. You can use wooden planks, log slices, or even repurposed decking boards to make your trail. They look stunning in rustic gardens, near ponds, or around flower beds. Just remember to choose treated wood or composite materials to protect against moisture and insects. Add some solar lights or lanterns along the edges for a glowing evening effect. It'll feel like walking through a storybook path. So, which style fits your dream backyard? Gravel, stone, or wooden trails? Tell us in the comments below.